Hi, hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Sinu. Today I would like to show you this unique, creative, easy flower embroidery technique. So I will explain in detail step by step. First, we should see the petals. So in the petals, I am dividing it into 5 parts. So each parts I am filling with the lacy daisy technique. For doing the lacy daisy, I here used as a 6 strands of embroidery thread and pricking from the downside of the fabric to go upside and make it as a chain. And the chain is tied at the end of the petal. And there I am secure it like just like a chain stitch. The same we are doing a big lacy daisy here. So after first here you can see that the petal is in V shape. So for the first one I am done in the center of the petal. Then the remaining also I am dividing same size one by one and doing the filling of the petal. After finishing the lacy daisy with a one petal full, I am going to a creative designing at the end of the petal. Let's see in detail. Next we will do at the end of the petals. For that here I have used maroon strands of embroidery thread. We should prick this maroon strands of embroidery thread from the end of the lacy daisy stitch. So here the two sets of strands of thread is there. In between from the downside of the fabric we should prick the needle and pass the thread and needle through the outside stitch, and we should return this needle to the center of the where we pricked the first. There should be we return. So we can see an envelope or a wrapping of the maroon color embroidery thread over the in between the yellow we can see. So it will be beautiful when we are finishing it. Let's see in full. Hope you like this video. If you like this type of video, please subscribe and support and watch my full video. Thank you for watching. Have a peaceful and blessed day ahead. Thank you so much. Bye bye.